Okay. Just bought 2007 Honda CBR 125. My first ever bike. From the dealership. I'm super nervous. It's my first time ever riding a motorcycle on the street. My only previous experience on a motorcycle is 2 days of motorcycle course. That was 6 months ago. And my first time on the street is going to be a motovlog. I am nervous and excited, and I don't know how to get home because this is not my city and it's an hour away. I'm not even gonna take the highway. And I just realized I need to figure out where I'm going. The reason I got the Honda CBR 125 is because I am too poor to afford a 250 or 300. And I also haven't ridden 6 months. I have no experience. And I live in Canada. As you can see, the leaves are different colors and falling down. And it's November, but we were blessed with beautiful weather. Bought this bike because I just couldn't wait till spring. And I'll just sell it and buy myself another one. Yeah, here she is. Let's go. Hey, let's start her up. Kickstand. Oh, I'm so nervous. I don't know where I'm going. Hey. First time on the road. Holy shit! How fast am I going? 60! My mirrors are useless! Ah! Holy crap! My first red bomb tunnel! What? 500 meters U-turn? Oh my god! Insane. How do I brake? That wasn't bad. Whew. That was okay. That was I'm shaking. Oh my god, that was wild. First time on the road. First impressions, it's not that bad. This mirror is screwed up, and they don't really, I had no idea what was going on around me. I was just freaking out that I was on the road. And now I'm just gonna, I need to check out my audio, see if I'm actually motovlogging. I would throw up, but I haven't eaten all day. Yeah, I definitely feel some wind on my neck. It is a warm day for fall. It's like 16 degrees. I forgot to do the clap, didn't I? Okay, I'm gonna clap. Okay. I somehow survived that. Alright. I still have no idea where I'm going. Alright. I think I'm good now. Okay, so I just click it to turn off the signals. No left turn allowed, broski. Fuck. Where do I U-turn? My gear shifting's horrible. Oh crap. I'm too scared to turn. Okay. Right now I'm just trying to figure out where I go. Pretty sure. What I did was illegal. Oh well. Woo! 2 kilometers. Gotcha. 3rd gear. Alright, getting the hang of this. This is fun! Holy shit! I hate using my front brake. This is so cool. I feel so exposed. And I hate the way I gotta look behind me. And these mirrors. It feels... Oh shit, I didn't turn my signals off. I think I'm in 4th. But what do I know? Going 80 kilometers an hour. Alright, so far, this is the greatest thing I've ever done. This is the best moment of my life. Oh shit. That was sketchy. Okay, I definitely had to use my front brakes there. Oh my god, this is too much fun. I'm thinking about way too many things. Am I too in high of a gear? Going 90 and a 70. Pulled over. First 20 minutes on a motorcycle. That'd be fucking great. I'm sure he'd give me a break. The cop pulled me over. And I just got the motorcycle. Roundabout, third exit, what does that even mean? Going 9,000 RPMs, like what the fuck? Oh, I get it. Oh, this is sketchy. I think this is the third one. Yep, Blair Road. Woo! I don't know what I did there. Okay, I gotta ease off the accelerator there. Okay, I'm learning. Oh my god, this is my favorite season. My favorite hobby finally has begun. I'm not even cold. I am wearing a sweater. Like, my coldest are my legs. Like, that's my coldest, my legs, and they're warm. Like, it's just the thighs, the wind. The wind resistance on your head is a lot more than I thought it would be. Like, I don't even like turning my head because it drags my head back. Or I'm looking anywhere, really. This is fucking dope! It's crazy how I still remember how to ride. They taught you good, you know? Like, it's been 6 months and I've only been learning for 2 days. And this is my first time ever on the street. And it's not that scary. Like, what I'm worried about the most is operating the motorcycle. Ah, smells like skunk. Oh, twisted. Woo-hoo. Look in the mirrors, look in the mirrors, look in the mirrors. Oh, okay, this is my first taste of traffic. City traffic. Oops. I'm already breaking every rule, and the speed limit's 40? Oh shit, we got a speeder. Wolfie represent. Wolfie represent.